Traveling around Australia is exciting and Devil's Marble is one of them. Camping is available, book online and pay a fee to camp. Do this before you go, you can't pay at site. Public toilet is available. Generators are not permitted. Fires are only permitted in the designated fire pits. These marbles have become an internationally recognized symbol of Australia's outback and are spectacular at sunrise and sunset. Keep an eye out for a small black-headed goannas in boulder crevices. Walk at sunrise and sunset for the contrast of colors and shadows. If you want, stay at the Devil's Marbles Hotel, which has a pool, bar and restaurant. Devil Marble, a must-see place when driving the Stuart Highway towards Adelaide or Darwin. Plenty of room to park even the big caravans. There is a Wi-Fi at the day area. The Devil Marbles have many shapes and sizes. Be sure to take your fly net with you if you are traveling in summer. Read the tribal history and take a walk around the area in the information board. Beautiful part of Australia is this Devil Marbles. Quite scenic and an easy walk up for a great view. It is also called Karlu Karlu. Karlu Karlu means round boulders. Traditional owners ask that the Karlu are not climbed. Read the information. Devil's Marble is open all year around. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from April to September. Karlu Karlu is 100 km south of Tennant Creek of the Swartz Highway. Nearest town or the city is Wachub. Very hard to get the pegs in if in a tent or awnings. The campground has bins. You can take a lot of photos at sunrise and sunset. Keep your batteries fully charged for this. Drones are not allowed. If not staying or camping, still you can walk on the track. It is somewhere you could spend a couple of hours wandering around or take a break from your driving. One of the most beautiful sunsets you will ever experience, simply breathtaking. Devil Marbles Hotel is 10 km away from here. It's not far from highway. The information board is on the left, so park your caravan or car anywhere here and go for a walk. There are 2 or 3 tracks here nearby. You can just walk. If you have any question about this place or any of my playlist, please leave a comment. I will reply. By the way, I am Rajkumar. Raj. This video is part of my playlist called Sydney to Darwin road trip. So I was doing a road trip from Sydney to Darwin and Adelaide, Melbourne and back to Sydney. So this is one of the part of the video of my playlist. So if you are planning to visit Australia, or if you are planning to do any road trip in Australia and like to know more about the outbacks or any other states which you are planning to visit, please subscribe to my channel to get more ideas about the road trip. And if you like this video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.